Alright, night 2 of my romantic dinner series. There's only going to be 2 videos in this series. Maybe later I'll do more. If this is public, if you like this. So I'm going to do steak tonight. These are ribeyes. Got this from the market. Definitely go check them out. They're right next to the really popular fishmongers. I will be sauteing these mushrooms in the same pan that I cooked the steaks in. I'll add some leftover garlic, onions, some parsley. And then we're gonna be roasting carrots. I had 3 left over from yesterday, and then got some baby potatoes that Judy really wanted to try at the market. The tomatoes are for the salad because we had a little bit of lettuce left. I'm just gonna prep some of these ingredients. I got the oven going to 425 to roast all the vegetables. And we're gonna eat dinner, I think, probably in the next 30-ish minutes. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is slice all the roasting vegetables in half. So this is both so that it obviously cooked a little faster, but also I like to get some of that caramelization on the inside surface. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll do this with the potatoes, of course, next. Put these over here. So these potatoes have a very deep purple color. I'm all about trying to get as many colors into my diet. Really important if you're not big into trying to get every single perfect nutrient into your body all the time. All right, so next I'm gonna coat all these in that leftover garlic olive oil I made yesterday. I just minced up the garlic and then mix it into the olive oil. Just mix it real good. Try to get every surface, especially the surface, open to the inside of the potatoes and carrots. So I'm gonna add this to the oven at 425 for probably about 20 minutes. And while I'm doing that, I'll cook the steaks. Totally messed it up. It was supposed to look good. Dinner's served.